Hey there, nature lovers! Welcome back to another breathtaking adventure. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of the Maldives Islands. If you're ready to be blown away by nature's incredible beauty and uncover hidden wonders, then stick around and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive into those hidden gems I was talking about earlier. The Maldives is just bursting with surprises, and one of its coolest secrets is the bioluminescent beach phenomenon. Picture this: you're strolling along the shore at night, and with each step, the sand lights up beneath your feet in this breathtaking blue glow. It's honestly like stepping into a fairy tale, but guess what? It's totally real and happens right here in the Maldives. This magical show is all thanks to tiny organisms called phytoplankton. When they get stirred up by the waves or your footsteps, they start to glow, creating this stunning effect that feels like you're walking on stars. It's like nature's own light show, and it's one of those experiences that just sticks with you, you know? Imagine capturing that moment, with the sound of the waves and the gentle breeze. It's pure magic. If you ever get the chance to see it, trust me, it's absolutely unforgettable. How amazing is that? This magical show is all thanks to tiny organisms called phytoplankton. When they get stirred up, they start to glow, creating this stunning effect that feels like you're walking on stars. Can you imagine how incredible it would be to experience that? It's definitely one of those moments that'll stick with you forever, making your trip unforgettable. How amazing is that? And let's not forget about the vibrant marine life. Snorkeling here is like diving into a living rainbow, with colorful fish darting around and coral reefs that look like something out of a fairy tale. You might even spot a friendly sea turtle gliding by. Whether you're lounging in a hammock or sipping a coconut drink, every moment feels like a mini vacation from reality. So, what do you think? Ready to pack your bags and escape to this tropical haven? But hold on, the beauty of the Maldives doesn't just stop at its stunning beaches. As we dive deeper into this tropical wonderland, we'll uncover a whole new world beneath the surface. The coral reefs surrounding these islands are bursting with life, offering a kaleidoscope of colors that'll absolutely blow your mind. From vibrant schools of tropical fish darting around to graceful sea turtles gliding through the water, every moment spent underwater feels like stepping into a living, breathing work of art. You know, it's like being part of a magical underwater festival where every creature has its own role to play. Let's dive into those hidden gems I was talking about earlier. The Maldives is just bursting with surprises, and one of its coolest secrets is the bioluminescent beach phenomenon. Picture this: you're strolling along the shore at night, and with each step, the sand lights up beneath your feet in this breathtaking blue glow. It's honestly like stepping into a fairy tale, but guess what? It's totally real and happens right here in the Maldives. This magical show is all thanks to tiny organisms called phytoplankton. When they get stirred up by the waves or your footsteps, they start to glow, creating this stunning effect that feels like you're walking on stars. It's like nature's own light show, and it's one of those experiences that just sticks with you, you know? Imagine capturing that moment, with the sound of the waves and the gentle breeze. It's pure magic. If you ever get the chance to see it, trust me, it's absolutely unforgettable. How amazing is that? This magical show is all thanks to tiny organisms called phytoplankton. When they get stirred up by the waves or your footsteps, they start to glow, creating this stunning effect that feels like you're walking on stars. It's like nature's own light show, and it's one of those experiences that just sticks with you, you know? Imagine capturing that moment, with the sound of the waves and the gentle breeze. It's pure magic. If you ever get the chance to see it, trust me, it's absolutely unforgettable. How amazing is that? But wait, there's even more to discover. The islands are home to some of the most unique and diverse ecosystems on the planet. From lush mangrove forests that act as natural barriers against storms to hidden lagoons tucked away behind dense vegetation, there's always something new and exciting to explore. Picture yourself kayaking through those mangroves, surrounded by the sounds of nature, and maybe even spotting a playful dolphin or two. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of some of the rare wildlife that calls these islands home, like the Maldivian flying fox, which is a giant fruit bat, or the elusive whale shark, the gentle giant of the sea. Speaking of wildlife, the Maldives is a haven for marine life enthusiasts. Snorkeling and diving here is like entering a whole new universe. Just imagine coming face to face with colorful parrotfish, curious clownfish peeking out from their anemones, and maybe even a friendly manta ray or two. It's like swimming in a giant aquarium, and if you're feeling adventurous, you can take a night dive to witness the incredible spectacle of nocturnal sea creatures coming to life. Trust me, it's an experience you won't soon forget. But it's not just about what you can see, it's about what you can feel. The Maldives has a way of touching your soul, making you feel connected to nature in a way you've never experienced before. Whether it's the gentle lapping of waves against the shore, the warm tropical breeze rustling through palm fronds, or the breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in a million shades of orange and pink, every moment here is a feast for the senses. You can practically feel the stress melting away as you soak in the beauty around you. Now, let's chat about some of the hidden gems that most tourists never get to see. Did you know that the Maldives is home to ancient Buddhist ruins? That's right. Long before it became the tropical paradise we know today, the islands were home to vibrant Buddhist communities. You can still find remnants of their temples and stupas if you know where to look. It's a fascinating glimpse into the rich history of these islands that goes far beyond their postcard-perfect beaches. Imagine wandering through these ancient sites, feeling the weight of history around you, and connecting with a time long past. And speaking of history, the Maldives boasts some incredible traditional crafts that have been passed down through generations. From intricate lacquerwork to the art of dhonie building, that's the traditional Maldivian boat, there's a whole world of cultural wonders to explore alongside the natural ones. You might even get a chance to participate in a workshop and try your hand at creating something beautiful. How cool would that be? But perhaps one of the most awe-inspiring aspects of the Maldives is its fragile beauty. These islands are on the front lines of climate change, with rising sea levels threatening their very existence. It's a sobering reminder of the importance of preserving and protecting our natural world. Visiting the Maldives isn't just about enjoying its beauty. It's about understanding the delicate balance of nature and our role in maintaining it. It really makes you think about the impact we have on our planet and what we can do to help. As we wrap up our journey through the Maldives, I hope you've been inspired by the incredible natural wonders we've explored together. From the vibrant coral reefs to the bioluminescent beaches, from the hidden lagoons to the ancient ruins, the Maldives is a place that never ceases to amaze. It's like a treasure chest of experiences just waiting to be uncovered. But here's the thing, no video, no matter how well made, can truly capture the magic of experiencing these islands in person. The feeling of sand between your toes, the sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, the taste of salt in the air, these are things you have to experience for yourself to truly understand the wonder of the Maldives. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Before we go, I want to thank you all for joining me on this virtual journey through the Maldives. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me and helps me continue bringing you these amazing natural wonders from around the globe. And remember, the world is full of incredible places just waiting to be discovered. So get out there, explore, and never stop marveling at the beauty of our planet. Until next time, keep adventuring, keep wondering, and keep falling in love with nature. See you in the next video.